Once the data table is initialized, we want to customize it as per our app requirements. Advanced Settings Properties offers various settings for data table customization. We will see a few of these options. Columns can be customized from the Columns tab. Various columns that need to be displayed can be selected. Let us choose to display sales, entry date, products sold, and whether the sale is renewable or not. The columns can be shown differently on different devices. In this example, we will not be showing the renewal field for mobile display. Using the Preview option, we can see the data table we have built. Only the columns we have selected are displayed. Its renewal flag is not displayed in mobile view. The readability of the column values can be improved by using various format options. The date values can be set to a universal format by selecting the appropriate pattern. Alignment of values within a column can also be set. Numeric fields need to be right-aligned. Currency fields need a prefix and proper separation for clarity. We will set the sales values to be prefixed with a dollar symbol and limit the display of 2 digits after decimal. We will set the width of the IsRenewal column to remove the extra white space. Conditional class can be set for cell values. This can be used to highlight columns with specific values. Here, we will highlight the IsRenewal field as success when its value is true. Multiple columns can be grouped under a single heading for better visibility and clarity. Here, we will be using a sales group to display the sales date and sales amount. Columns can be added to the group using the group setting. As you can see, the dates and sales figures are properly formatted and grouped. The IsRenewal flags are also highlighted. In the preview, we are not able to see the name of the rep who sold the product. This is because the rep name is not accessible directly from the sales table, but in reps table related through the quotes table. Adding custom column can solve this issue. We will add a field to display the rep name obtained from the reps table via quotes table. For this, we will be using the value expression option. Rep's name is displayed for each sale entry.